Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can set up Google Analytics to our WordPress. So for that you need to open up Google Analytics account, and after that for this video let's create a new account so you get to understand everything from the very beginning. So for that just click on admin and click on create account. After that you would need to provide the name of your account. It could be anything. Let me type HTM testing, and after that scroll down and click on next. Then you need to provide the property name, and after that provide the reporting time zone and currency dollar. Choose them according to your needs and requirements, and after that click on next. Over here you would need to select the industry category and also the size of your organization, and then click on next. After that it would ask you to provide the business objectives. Here you can choose more than one according to your needs and requirements, and after that click on create. Accept the terms and conditions and click I accept. And here it would ask you to choose any platform in order to start collecting data from that particular platform. So we will choose web over here, and now provide the URL of your website. Then provide the stream name. I'm providing the same name over here, and click on create a stream. And this is how you would be able to create a web stream for your website. And here as soon as you enter this page you would be prompted with this particular notification where it would ask you to install Google tags, and here you can either do it automatically. All you have to do is just scan your URL and you would be able to do it, and these are the supported platforms for it. And if you want to do it manually, which is to install these tags manually, for that you would have to just copy these tags, or you can just simply click over here in order to copy it and then paste it on the code of your website on each page of your website, and it should be after the head element. And please don't add more than one of this code in one page. So just copy it right after the head element and you would be good to go. And this way you would start collecting the data from your website, and after that just go back, and if you want to check the data or the analytics, just go to reports section over here, and here click on real time. This way you would see all the updates from your website, and all the data updated will appear over here. And this is how you set up Google Analytics 4 with WordPress. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.